Ah, another beautiful day at the beach. Well, at least the pretend beach that we have here in Nevada, situated nicely on the edge of this pretend lake. Either way though, driving home through the desert at night is going to be the perfect opportunity for us to test out these new headlight bulbs that Auxito sent over to me. And so I drove the 4Runner through the desert to the beach so we could cook up some sus meats and camp out in the trunk.
Tell me you ain't poking me with something, bro. You like that?
And after a long night of completely heterosexual activities,
Get back here!
I don't know what all that was about, but anyway, let's get started on arguably the worst advertisement of all time. The tale of how these headlights saved me from being stranded in the desert. By the way, if you guys don't watch this whole video and buy the headlight bulbs from the link in my description, I'm not going to be able to pay my rent this month. So from this point on, if you click off the video, you're pretty much a whole ass clanker.
Roger, roger.
What the f? Nick, where are we?
What?
Where are we?
What?
Where? We gotta get that paddle. We're in the ocean, man.
We gotta get to land. See it? Back there.
Dude, what the f is that? That's so fucking far.
No, it's not, dude.
And somehow it would seem that we drifted out into the ocean on our air mattress, with the only way of survival being floating to the nearest island for safety.
Right there.
And so we set forth on our journey to find the only thing left that can save us. The best headlight bulbs known to man.
Hold on, what's this? Wait, how are we gonna get this open though?
Dude, hit me with it, bro. Hit me with it.
Why the f would I hit you with it?
Dude, I'm gonna break it open. What? Right here, bro. Come on, come on, come on.
Okay.
Wait. I got a hammer, bro.
Where did that come from, dog?
Don't worry about it.
Map
to lights?
What does that mean?
Bro, I don't know. What does it mean?
Wait, like, oh, headlights for my
Dude,
car?
yeah, it's gonna be dark soon, bro. We gotta get the f out of here.
Yeah, why is the sun going down? We just woke up.
Dude, I don't know. It was one hell of a night, man. Where the f are the keys, man?
What the hell is that?
Who are you?
Looking
Bro,
for these,
he has the keys. Oh my god.
Stay the back.
Oh my god. The hammer.
What up?
Oh, dude, we just want the keys, man.
You know what? There's only one way you're gonna get these f***ing keys back.
How? I'll do anything.
You're gonna have to do a f***ing kickflip.
A kickflip?
On this.
On what? What the f? How did you get that?
Yo, don't ask questions.
Was that in your ass?
I don't ask questions.
Oh man.
Yeah.
A kickflip?
Yeah.
How am I gonna do this with no ground?
With this.
What the f?
Better do this clean.
All
Like Tony Hawk. Oh.
This shit, man. That's just bullshit.
I knew you couldn't do it.
F you, man. Give me the keys.
What did I say?
Look, man, this is all we want, the lights. You can keep the keys, all right?
I've been looking for that map. I'll give you the keys, but you have to give me those headlights.
And after all day and night of searching, we finally walked in enough circles to film this B-roll and we were able to wrap this shit up.
Hey, I think you're getting that wet.
You sure?
Try again? Yeah, definitely.
And around here we kind of lost the plot because it got dark when we were pretty much ready to go home, so I kind of definitely didn't plant the keys here and pretend to find them. But finally we're able to get started installing the headlight.
Don't pretend this video is real. I'm sick of this. I just need my damn headlights in.
But we got them from that guy that came from the ocean.
And these are the Auxito LED headlights we're going to be installing today, which come nicely packaged with all of the necessary accessories in the box that you're going to need to install them properly, which I definitely did.
Guys, use the gloves, but I don't need the gloves. I'm a professional.
He's a professional. He's gonna touch the bulb and it'll be fine.
Fucking bugs.
You guys know you're not getting paid for this, right?
What? That dude's shirtless for that.
Hey bro, you're not supposed to be here. We just ran away from
Among Us?
Oh. Lexi, do you not?
Oh!
Holy shit.
Holy
Dude,
shit, that was bright as
One just is instant and the other one like
Oh.
fades off. And I didn't think that the before and after would be that
Yeah,
crazy.
I think they're pretty good.
Holy shit. It's like we don't need a flashlight to record anymore, dude. Yeah, see? He's blinded. We might be able to get home, guys.
All right, so because these headlights are actually worth the money, the connector stays the exact same, so there's no hassle. And you could throw this old shit in the desert. Dude, these bugs, oh my God.
The desert?
All right, get the shot, bro. But you know, there's like an O-ring they give you to seal it properly, but also gloves they give you to not make them ruined. But you pretty much, oh my God, they're inside my ears. They're
There are so many.
God.
There are
Oh
so
my God.
many right now, bro. Hey.
All right, hit them on.
Hey.
Hit them on.
Hit the lights. Hit the lights.
Oh,
Yo,
I've never
it's so
seen
bright.
such a beautiful
Holy
sight. We
shit,
get
you
to
can
go
see
home.
so much.
And with them installed, I was able to see the trail on the whole way home with ease, even though it was midnight with no other light for miles. And I promise you guys, I wouldn't have embarrassed myself with this whole video if these were just normal Chinese LED headlights. And believe me, I'm the first guy to buy some cheap shit on Alibaba before getting the real nice stuff, but from my experience, those cheap LEDs do not last. These Auxito bulbs are a quality product, from longevity to brightness, so if you upgrade your 90s shitbox from 30-year-old yellow halogen to LED, don't bother wasting your money on the Chinese stuff on Amazon, because in the long run you're going to end up spending more money that way. So just run to the description, click the link, and let Auxito know exactly your make and model so they can get the right headlights for you. But that's pretty much it for today, so if you guys watch this whole video, I actually kind of just can't believe you did that. But I do want to take a second to appreciate Auxito and them allowing me to work with them, even though this video is probably not at all what they were imagining. Hopefully they're chill about that. But yeah, thank you guys so much again for watching, and there's more content coming soon.